Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the last one, and it's the easiest step. Some people might think it might be the hardest, but you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. I've only done 3 of them. And you're just going to carefully snap it to this L, and we want that one, grab that 4 point and make it right there. Grab that one, put it right there. And if you'll see that that piece is going to go right there, that piece is going to go right there, and then take your continuing pieces, go ahead and zoom in, grab that part right there and have that. Now, when you've done all 6, this is what I like about the Smart Fill tool. This is so easy. Just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. There are your finger joints for your other side, for your front and your back. And if we did the 3 more pieces, we would be done. Now, keep in mind you need 2 sides. You need a front and a back. So all you have to do is Control D and make a duplicate and move it over, and then and of course you've done all 6 sides now. But everything should fit together perfectly. You know, if you noticed from the other videos, these are females going into these males. These are males going into these females, and it should just all kind of match together. And then after you've got that done, just take your pieces and line them up and get them, like let's rotate that one 90 degrees, put it in this pocket, save you some wood. Take this one and get your other 3 pieces and then cut these pieces out. Matter of fact, you could move this piece to here, because you've only got this piece and this piece and this piece, so they ought to pretty much fit into a 16 by 10 piece of plywood. And that's considering that we made the L 16 inches tall, which is quite large. Now, like I said in the first couple of videos, you want to do your first couple and then do you some test cuts to make sure your joints fit good, because every laser is a little bit different, every curve's a little bit different. But if you've done it like this, and on this particular case, if you remembered how I glued it together, they don't have to be perfectly tight. A lot of boxes I design are so tight you don't even need glue. This is not really necessary because you're going to glue everything from the tabs on the inside, and then after you're through, take the surgical tubing off and sand it, and you'll get this result right here. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.